Hello guys, welcome back to my new vlog. Today we are reviewing and going to talk about this new Maruti Suzuki, not new actually, Maruti Suzuki Eco. This is an 5-seater version with AC. This was first launched in 2010 and came with petrol and CNG engine options. The price starts from 4 lakh and top model 5-seater AC goes up to 5.5 lakh in Bangalore on road, and this also comes with an ambulance and cargo model. The ambulance model's price happens to be 7 lakh and cargo model 6 lakh. We can see this front bay with this wipers water tank and jack and radiator. We get these accessories here, and this car has replaced Maruti Omni and Maruti Varsha, which is no longer produced by Maruti, but surely this car is a new generation of Versa. We get this body graphics, steel rims 15 inches. This is an perfect MUV, multi-utility vehicle, and a perfect budget family van. We get this door handles in matte black finish, and look of rear. Maruti offers 5 colors, which are metallic glastering grey, metallic silky silver, pearl midnight black, solid white, and circulant blue. The one which we are seeing here is the solid white color. We get this eco badging, high mount stop lamp, tail lights. We don't get any LED setup. Maruti logo. Let me open the boot. The boot size happens to be 400 liters. This is an huge boot. We can get an aftermarket accessory like children's seat at the rear. If we want, we get this carpet here at the rear, and we can easily carry lot of luggage. We get this design treatment on the roof, which looks nice. And when it comes to safety, this car gets only single airbag and anti-lock braking system, AC, that's it, nothing else. And in terms of power, this gets an 1.2 liter petrol engine which produces 61 bhp and 85 Nm of torque. This is the look of the steering wheel. We get this Maruti logo, wiper control, hazard light button, instrument cluster, headlight controls. We get this simple, clean looking instrument cluster. We don't get any trip meter, and this is the look of the dashboard. We get this AC controls, AC vents, and we don't get any stereo. We have lot of options in aftermarket: 12-volt charging port, some storage place, and again some storage space, cup holders, 5-speed manual gearbox, handbrake, and we get this glove box here and some storage place in dashboard. This is 1.2 liter petrol engine. This is an rear wheel drive car, mid engine rear wheel drive, and you get this reading lights, which is good, and rear view mirror, sun blinds. We don't get any mirror, and same here, we don't get any vanity mirror, and
We get this speaker placement over here, but we don't get any speakers. We do have options of aftermarket. We can go with it. And the rear seat comfort is decent. Only 3 people can easily sit. Seat could have been better, but it is good. Under thigh support and knee room is also good. Headroom is very good, and we get this side grab handles, manually adjustable glass up and down handle, and this lock button. The seats are good. 3 people can easily sit. This is the look of the dashboard. And thank you for watching my video. If you had got it useful, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, and do subscribe to our Kannada channel for Kannada videos. Thank you.